Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm late. As you all kind of, if you're following me through this vlog journey on YouTube, and some of y'all understand, yeah, I'm late. It is 7:22. I'm supposed to meet my buddy Jeff at a gas station here, 15 minutes down the road. 7 o'clock. Yes, I'm late. But give you a little agenda for the day. It's gonna be about 65, 68, 70 degrees. A little chance of rain here in Kentucky. Not too bad, not too bad. But what we're gonna do is, instead of going to like an aquarium like I did last video, or Arnold, fitness expo, I'm going to something that, you got to see what I like to do with my family. And my fitness journey. I think that car there's stuck. I can't take a car four wheeling, but anyway. Crazy people with clay cane, bro. Crazy people with clay cane. But me and Jeff and Jesse, we are heading to Louisville, Kentucky for a thing called Knob Creek Gun Shoot. It's a machine gun show where a bunch of guys get together and they blow a lot of stuff up and they shoot a lot of guns. And so guys, stay tuned. Video might not be as long as normal, which is probably a good thing, I guess, but I want to try to get you guys as much clips and footage of the machine gun shoot and see what I can get myself into. I want to try. There's a cannon there. They shoot a cannon, and I want to see if I can't shoot a cannon. I don't know if I'll be allowed to or not, but I'm going to give it a shot on trying to get to shoot a cannon. So yeah, stay tuned. Come on, Jeff, we're hungry. Oh, we just got done eating breakfast. Belly's full. Jeff, you full?
I'm full.
Well, now we're fixing to head to Louisville, meet this boy, and go to this gun show. Right now we're having a dilemma trying to figure out which rain to drink. We got blue raz, fruit punch, sour apple, and cotton candy. Comment below what you guys think be the best. Flea market going into the thing. I like Start going through the mountains.
come into the range house office and fill out your waiver, or head on down to the lower range. Again, must be 18 or older to rent and shoot range
It's like the 59.
Yep.
You want to carry the bacon? Yeah.
What is that?
500 Smith & Wesson. Here we go. Why are you going to face the high one? The other ones are so cheap. What makes them so special?
Well, mate. deal with it. You ready to go?
Oh, we got
ready.
camera up here now.
Got a GoPro. Hey, ready? We were. 3, 4, 5. The round target stops your time.
I got 7
hours I can
You got 10 rounds. Shoot them twice.
Ready?
Go.
Yeah,
Regular match, you could actually shoot all.
I had that one over there about a scope on Eddie here last year. Mobile artillery. Check them out.